am Inspire Home Renovations. Yeah, I am reaching out to help you generate more leads, sales, and website traffic. As I reviewed your website, I noticed a few simple improvements that could make a big difference. I spent some time reviewing your website, especially since you are getting traffic from Google Ads, and I want to share a few ideas on how we can really turn more visitors into actual customers reaching out to you. Right now, your phone number is in the site here, which is great, but it's not always easy to visitors to spot right away. Sometimes it's tucked away for only on certain pages. For someone who's ready to call, especially in an emergency, they should not have, hunt your number for your number. What I recommend is adding a sticky header for or footer that keeps your phone number and email visible no matter where someone is on the site. Plus, making those clickable on mobile means people can just tap and call or email instantly. I also noticed that there isn't a chat feature. Adding a chat widget can really boost engagement because it gives visitors a quick low pressure way to ask questions or get help without having to pick up the phone or fill out the form. It's like having a friendly assistant ready 24/7. Speaking of forms, let me check that. Okay. The contact form do you have it? Oh, you don't have it. Oh, yeah. The contact form, you should have it like really simple, asking for a bit too much, up front. The simpler we make the form, just the essentials like name, phone, or email, and a quick message, the more people will actually fill it out. So you have also need that. I mean, the form. Think of it like a checkout line in a store. The faster, the easier it is, the more customers complete the purchase. Also, adding some testimonials or certifications near your contact info can really help build trust. When people see that customers have had great experiences with you, they're more comfortable reaching out. And of course, we want to make sure the site loads quickly and works perfectly in phones and tablets because most people browse that way these days. If the site is slow or clunky, people just leave. You know that? So to sum it up, let's make your phone number and email pop and keep them visible all the time. And a chat widget to catch visitors to want quick answers. Simplify your contact form to reduce friction and some trust signals near your contact points. And optimize for mobile and speed. If we tackle those, you'll see more calls, emails, and chats coming in, and that means more leads and sales. What do you think? Should we start prioritizing these changes or to get the most out of your website traffic? Okay, so yeah, I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Juvie, and I work with Optimized Media Marketing here in Eugene. We actually specialize in helping local businesses fix their online marketing and turn their websites into lead generating machines. Now, if you found these tips helpful, and we offer a free strategy call to help you implement these changes to help increase your sales and revenue. If you want to book a call, just reply, "I'm interested," and we'll book a time on the calendar to call back. Talk to you soon. Thank you.